Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. This one here is 14K solid gold, 8 top, 6 bottom. Okay, and this is real gold, guys. It's 14 karat. It's not gold plated. This is solid. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. I'll show you the back side. These snap right on the teeth here, and they even have the stamp. You see the 14K stamp right there. Okay, and this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service. Now this is handmade from an actual mold impression of the customer's teeth, so it's gonna fit perfectly. Check that out. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and check us out, blingcartel.com. As always, y'all have a good one.